Hello kids! Today we'll be learning a new art. Origami. What's so special about it? You can make anything with just one piece of paper without cutting or pasting anything. Isn't it that so interesting? So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. The first step is to remove this origami sheet from the book like this. Keep the book aside. Now, with the help of scissors, cut along the dotted lines as shown. Be very careful. You can take help of your parents or grandparents for cutting. Now, after cutting, make sure you clean the table and throw the extra paper in the dustbin. Great. The next step is to fold this paper in half to make a triangle like this. Overlap the edges one over the other. Press it from the center and give it a good press. Flatten it. Then what you have to do is you have to fold this upper corner downwards like this, so that you get a good boat shape, right? Like this. Now you have to fold this corner in a halfway to get the other triangle downwards. Now flatten it again like this. Now fold this entire thing in half from the center of the two triangles so that you get one edge over the other. Once done, what we'll do is we'll fold these flaps like this so that you get a base of the bird that we are creating. Fold it in a way that you get proper two halves. You will get something like this. Looks like a bird, but the beak is still missing. For the beak, we have to fold this edge of the triangle like this. You get your beak. Now, you can take a marker or a sketch pen and draw a big dark eye for the bird. Obviously, both the sides. And then enjoy flying your bird here and there. You can even attach the thread so that you can hang it around your room or your wall as per your wish and make it a large group, flock of birds. Like you guys play, these birds can fly together. Interesting, isn't it? Now go make your own birds. Thank you.